Hello, I'm Misha, a client solutions engineer at Datatailr, and today I would like to show you our approach to Excel add-ins. Our platform provides you with the tools to write and deploy Excel add-ins, where Excel serves as a front end, but all the calculations actually happen in a container in the back end. The container can be of arbitrary size, so you are not limited by the size of the data you'd like to work with. Here I have some Python functions, and once I'm happy with the code, I can deploy them as an add-in to make them available to other users of the platform. I can launch my add-in by downloading and executing a config file, which would bring up Excel on my local machine. On the right side here, I have a panel with a list of functions which are available to me in Excel. I can call them the same way I would call any other Excel function, with the only difference that in this case, none of the calculations actually happen on my local machine. I can stream data. So here I have some randomly generated price process, and I can also use Excel functionality on the data which I get from the backend, like here when I use this plotting functionality. I can also pass multi-dimensional inputs and outputs to and from Excel, and in the same manner I can apply Excel functions to the data which I get from the backend. So here, for example, I'm applying Excel sum function. One of the common pains when working with Excel is data connectivity. Here it's not a pain anymore. Since you're using Python in those functions, if you can connect to something from Python, you get the same connectivity from Excel. Here, I can load some data in memory in my backend. It is a pandas data frame, so I can call this function to apply, in this case, describe method to the data which I have in memory. You can also pass the data from Excel to the backend if you want to store it in some database or send it somewhere else. And you can even expose a querying engine from the backend to the Excel. Since your backend is run in Python, you are not limited on what you can do in Excel. If you can do it from Python, you can do it from here, be it calling C++ functions, for example, if you use something like quantlib, or querying Snowflake data, we're not limiting you. I hope it was interesting, and thank you for your time.